Hi everyone, this is Keza here, also known as Styler Loves Gory Movies, and today we have a very special unboxing. An unboxing of a limited edition to 1,000 Blu-rays and one of my favourite films of all time, released by Arrow, and it is of course Hell Comes to Frogtown, starring Roddy Piper and directed by R.J. Keezer and Donald G. Jackson. So this is what come in the post today. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox this bad boy. Trusty pen. Boogly. La 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 la. This is for Stephen. Plastic. Bums away. Right, so here we go. Sorry. Hell Comes to Frogtown Blu-ray. The front, the back, the spine, inside artwork, reversible artwork, but I'll show you this first. Blu-ray. Nice, the way they put the frogs on the DVD. And that is the reversible artwork. Don't know if you can see that. I personally like this one. Then you get a little card to go with it. With Hell Comes to Frogtown. All the movies on the back. Nice little booklet of Roddy Piper himself. Inside the booklet, contents page, more with Roddy Piper, writing. Oh, and a picture of a girl frog, Piper fighting the frog, Roddy Piper again from the scene, Piper again, and then end of it, and then that's the back. So basically I am excited because this is one of the films I am going to be doing my tag review on. So it'll be this one and my other one, which I'm still waiting, which I'm pissed off about that it hasn't come, but it'll be worth waiting. I will assure you. So just fixing this. So yep, that was the unpackaging of Hell Comes, the limited to 1,000 edition. It was limited to 1,000 copies edition of Hell Comes to Frogtown with Roddy Piper. So yeah, that'll be me signing out now. And please comment nice comments, subscribe, and above all else, stay gaudy and have unpleasant dreams. Ta-ta for now.